Harry Potter fan in the house. So nice.
Now read
In a Harry Potter right now. Who's that?
Take jewelry, cell phones, all loose
So cool in
change and
here.
stow them.
So cool.
To keep them.
Guys, I try to do the Harry Potter ride, and this is how it's looking on the inside. The place dark like a wire, no afraid. I never afraid so yet. But if you hang on, they strap you down to rot it over your chest. One. So this looks exciting. I'm nervous.
To retrieve your stolen belongings, lest you want them confiscated by Mr. Phil.
Jesus Christ. Guys, that ride was me lock me a right through. Murder me lock me a right through. Oh wow. That was epic. Mercy. Right on. But I want them to put it through them and I wait all the time. Here we go. And that's it. That's it. Oh my god. Because I got down the whoa and it over. Jesus Christ, I just wait kill yourself a wait pan guys. 50 hours, well 30 minutes. It's not that long. I guess it can't be that long because the ride that short.
So it was super long, then it's long.
Harry Potter ride. Let's go. Almost time, guys. Almighty, me nervous. Nervous. everything for me. Amazing. I love this. Guys, the way this whole area set up, the Harry Potter restaurant here, trust me, I am just blown away. The details, just everything like the movie. Like for real. It's a vibe. I don't know, me weird, but yeah, me just say I admire everything. Me I admire everything. It's just nice. Okay. Jesus Christ, what food, man. Sugar for days. Sugar me. Guys, really I try angle up the chicken, but it beat me. It beat me. But they can need triangle bangle angle up this. Feels good. So quick tour of Harry Potter restaurant here at Universal Studios. Okay? Let's walk. Food nice. Let me say, but just everything. Look on all of the features here, the details. I just that for me. Everything, even like the servers, then dress up. You know, like the same costume or outfit, but it nice. It nice. They really got all out, and I love that. I love it all. Can't get no better than that for true. Not true. And that was just a little clip of it, you know. But I'm not lie. It's nice. It's nice. And them drinks, I love it so much. Butterbeer. It is a vibe. Beautiful. Hogwarts Express. Yes, yes, yes. Very nice. Oh yeah guys, I close after the now in a car, boy. Such a fun-filled day. Love it. Here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Awesome. Disney could have never a joke.